Now I've had it braided for about a week, so the hair is softer because I have had it braided. But you just let me, if I would go in there and wash this stuff, it would be so thick. So you can see the length of it now. And it is still fine, but it's fairly, you know, for density wise, it's fairly thick compared to, you know, the rest of my hair. So I've just got fine hair like a lot of you do. I'm excited. Let me get started. Stop talking. Okay, and I've got this relaxer here. Like I said, it doesn't really matter what brand you get. It's just up to you. Everybody's individual. I got this from the beauty supply store, and it is a commercial relaxer, but it's how you apply it that really, really matters. And I use a little of the conditioner and pour it directly into the relaxer before I even start to mix. That's enough. That's just to buffer some of that, some of the harshness of any relaxer. And then I use this conditioner and put it on the ends. I saturate the ends that have already been relaxed because I don't want any more relaxer on that. They've had enough. It's really saturated in there and up. I'm not going to get any relaxer on my skin up here, but it may just touch my skin a little bit, so I'm going to protect those fine thin hairs right here. And then a little bit more of the conditioner just to put on the rest of my hair. And this will protect it. Relaxers are strong enough to penetrate all of it. So if it's strong enough to penetrate the conditioners, you know that it's strong enough to really penetrate your hair. And I want to protect my skin as well, because hair loss areas are even more sensitive than, say, if you did not have hair loss. Your scalp is, you know, not quite as sensitive. So I just use a petroleum jelly, nice thick petroleum jelly, and put around the area right in front. Because I'm not going to be putting it up here, but right where my hair loss starts. I make sure that that area is protected. Because this is where I also put my facelift bands, and that tends to be a little sensitive over time. Don't want to put any more stress or irritation on that area. Oh, that feels good. And then behind my ears and my nape. And I am protected and ready to apply this relaxer. I do it as quickly as possible, yet thoroughly. And just mix it until it is thoroughly mixed. The relaxer can settle in those corners, and if you don't mix it evenly, you'll get uneven, blended relaxation in your hair. Okay, this is thoroughly mixed. I feel great with that being mixed thoroughly. Looking good. Like a smoothie. And then rat tail comb. I use a wide tooth comb to get started. And I start by parting down the center. My healthiest hair is going to be right around here. So that's where I'm going to start applying this relaxer. And I hope the fan is not deterring. Let me turn the fan off. It was feeling so good. I'm hoping that the fan didn't interrupt what I was saying too much. But right now, I'm at the very, very weakest point. So I'm going to come back to the back and just gently comb all that up with the teeth of my comb and apply the relaxer there. And then I am going to come back to the front. See if y'all can see this. Then I'm going to come back to the front and apply it to this weakest area all the way around. And now I have applied relaxer to all of my hair. Now what I do is to go back and start smoothing it with the teeth of the comb. So I know where I started. I'm going to divide that hair open like I had it before, all the way down, smooth with my fingers. And where I started the application is where I'm going to start smoothing by combing the hair up right to the relaxed ends. Gently pulling it apart. And then, as you can see, I can take larger sections because my hair is so fine. But if your hair is thick, then you want to take smaller sections. And it's going to take a little bit longer to relax. And just smooth it with my hand. And just smooth. I can feel it relax. I'm going to have a really nice relaxer here. Smoothing it and just keep parting and bringing that hair up with the comb, the teeth of the comb, and smoothing it. And this is the way we always relax hair at my salon. It makes it so much easier than trying to bring all that hair down and getting stuck with a lot of long hair. And just smooth it. Oh, it feels good pulling out those, that kinkiness. It feels great. Don't pull it past any areas. Don't pull the comb past any area to force it. Just let it stop and smooth it with your hand the rest of the way. There we go. And then go back to this area and bring it back to meet that. And and smooth it that way. And everything is relaxed. And then I can just smooth it all on the top of my head. And my relaxer should be complete. And those ends that had a little bit of relaxer on it, just take and smooth that with your hands like this, and that will pull, because, you know, after a period of time, those relaxed ends will get a little, ooh, got me a little lit. Wow. No more combing at this point, just smoothing with my hand. And relaxing it. It's taken me about 15 minutes to do this, so I can really feel that it's relaxed very well. You don't want to over relax it, make it too straight and take away the tensile strength. You still want to have strength and elasticity in the hair. So you should have just a very, very slight wave pattern. Not kinky wave, but very silky wave pattern. Almost like a body wave when you're finished. And I am finished with my relaxer. I know that it has taken very well. I am going to get into the shower and shampoo my hair and take a nice shower, prepare my face for my facelift and get ready for my new look. I'll be back with you in just a little bit. Hang in there, don't go away.